Collecting leads with the Facebook giveaway campaign. Hey there, fellas. Now that we got over the engagement strategies, let's move on into the lead generation strategies. When it comes to latest Facebook marketing, the most effective lead generation strategies are all about encouraging intent by giving away to people something that is hard to resist. Giveaways are an easy way to achieve this, and in this lesson, we're going to show you the easiest, most effective way to set up giveaways that collect leads for you and that also send people to your Facebook pages. Ready? Yes? Then let's get started. Getting started. Our recommended, stress-free method to set up giveaways is by joining a giveaways platform. There are several to choose from, but most are paid. So in this lesson, we're going to recommend you to use Gleam, a marketing platform that lets you create and run beautiful giveaways with no overhead costs and doesn't require a credit card to get started. To join Gleam, simply visit the gleam.io URL, click on the sign up button, and complete the registration steps. Setting up the giveaway campaign. All right, folks, let's start this step on your dashboard. Right after you register on the platform, first, click on the new competition button to start creating the giveaway. Next, enter the name of the giveaway campaign into the name field. Now, use the calendar functions below to select the date when the giveaway starts and when it ends. Now select the correct time zone for your giveaway. Now, enter your giveaway terms and conditions into the terms and conditions field. Also, click on the CAPTCHA menu button and select Always Require a CAPTCHA to stop bots from spamming your competition. Now, click on the User Details tab. Click on the Minimum Age menu button and select 18 Plus checkbox. Now, delete all options in the Allow Login section except email and Facebook. Next, enter your Facebook page URL into the Allow Users to Like a Facebook Page field. Then, make sure that the Build Competition Subscriber List option is checked and click on the How to Enter tab. On this page, you're going to click on the Facebook icon, and then you're going to select the Facebook entry method. In the Facebook entry section, select Like a Page. Then, enter your Facebook page URL and your Facebook page ID into the fields below. Now, check the Mandatory option and click on the Prize tab. Here, you're going to enter the name of your prize into the Widget Title field, and then a description of your prize into the Description field. Now you're going to enter the number of winners into the Number of Winners field. Launching the giveaway campaign. Now that your giveaway campaign is fully personalized, you can click on the Save button to launch it. And that's it. You can now share your giveaway campaign using the methods on this competition page.